The ongoing cost of Algorand is around 19 cents. According to our Algo coin cost expectation, it is estimated that the most extreme cost for the coin might be around 47 cents, with a base cost of 17 cents. By the time it is 2025, our Algorand cost expectation proposes that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of 75 cents. Simultaneously, the base cost may be around 52 cents. If the ongoing force proceeds and the Algo crypto can snatch consideration, it might cross the $2 mark by 2030. Our Algorand estimate shows that the greatest cost might be $2.5, with a base cost of $1.50. The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market slump in May 2022. The Algo token was exchanging around $0.779 when the Luna disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost strongly tumbled to $0.371 in a couple of days. After some union, the cost additionally tumbled to $0.2795 that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of $0.3559.15. In any case, starting from the start of this current year, the Algorand cost has been on a recuperation mode in the midst of positive market opinions. According to our Algorand cost forecast, the coin will carve out opportunity to recapture its lost force and turn beneficial. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand is a cutting-edge blockchain known as Blockchain 3.0 for its inventive utilization of irregularity to tackle the blockchain trilemma, guaranteeing security, versatility, and decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Macaulay and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and business analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the exciting modern lifestyle. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely versatile, consequently, they instituted the advantage of utilizing confirmation of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here every single individual chain manages its free blockchain framework with its agreement component and block validators and make more youngster chains of its own. Algorand? The Algo token Algorand Organizations Group has delivered interface libraries that will be a trailblazer. The organization likewise brought a one-of-a-kind token Algo that is currently a significant hit at the prestigious trades, coordinating the speed with other digital forms of money. Vantage Algo. The immense potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the confirmation of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the least charges. Algorand's brilliant agreements, ASC1s, are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be sure that the program ran without blunder and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, conclusiveness, security, and cost viability. ASC1s can consequently uphold custom principles and rationale, from essentially characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. ASC1s are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language, Blue-Green, and Python, a Python language restricting. Algo coin is a digital money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will more often than not send and get installments in their ideal cash by means of Algorand Shrewd agreements, as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the Algo cost shot up to $0.493. Later in 2020, Algo cost denoted a lofty fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recaptured its lost force. The cost again went to $0.668 in the following 5 months. At last, after some highs and lows, the Algo token contacted the $1 mark. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.7 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some solidification, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The Algo value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold yet fizzled. Before the cost could recover energy, the whole crypto market saw an accident, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upswing. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. As per Algorand Expectation 2023, with any progressions in strategies and guidelines, Algorand, Algo, may have its portion of dim days at its cost, showing some obstruction. According to our Algorand cost estimate, the coin could cruise smoothly around 33 cents, with a most extreme cost of 47 cents and least cost of 19 cents, making it not fall in cost, but rather play reliably. Algo Coin Value Expectation 2024. Assuming Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and essentials, the Algo coin could reflect enormous development in the forthcoming years. It wouldn't be a distortion to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 59 cents, which is plus 43% to the most recent costs. Sometime, however, the equivalent can be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 41 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. Algorand has proactively taken on the POS component and subsequently has gigantic development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really brilliant for Algorand. In view of our Algorand cost estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal and Algo exchanges green for the period. The cost could come to the 75 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Forecast 2026. Having seen a tremendous DApp reception in the past, pushed the cost of Algorand, Algo. The organization is very famous, with various undertakings based on it. Given the progressions are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a greatest cost of 95 cents, which is plus 340% of the Algorand cost today. Algo Value Expectation 2027. With organizations and local area financing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand, Algo, is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.18, which is plus 450% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand figure, yet certainly possible as opposed to expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 82 cents. Algo Crypto Value Expectation 2028. In view of the expectations, the Algo coin might have a base cost of 96 cents, with a greatest cost of $1.38 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $1.17 in light of our Algo figure. Algo Value Forecast 2029. Of every 2029, the Algo coin is supposed to exchange a scope of $1.18 to $1.70, where the previous is the least cost and the last option is the most extreme cost. Simultaneously, our Algorand cost expectation proposes that the typical cost of the token might be $1.44 all year long. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. As per Algorand Cost Forecast 2030, the estimated crypto cost will exchange above $2 by 2030. The Algo coin will ascend to $2.16 by December 2030, addressing a colossal upswing of plus 900% to the ongoing cost. As per our drawn-out Algo cost